Here's how to use a YouTube viewbot instantly. Let's begin. First, go to Naizop.com using the link in the description below. You can create or log into your account via Google Login to get in right away. Next, go to Deposit. You can top up using card, crypto, and more. It's super fast, so we can get right to it. Next, go to New Order. Click the search bar and type YouTube Views. Then choose the first option, which costs $5.24 per 1,000. From there, you add your post link and then the amount you want. In this video, let's test this with 100, then tap Order Now. The system will start processing it in the background. Alright, here's how it went and the views got in. I refreshed the page a little bit later and you can see the jump almost instantly. Now, let's talk about the risk of doing this. Because buying views is technically against YouTube's terms of service, overdoing it could get your video flagged or removed, so always be smart about how you use it. Go to Naizop using the link in the description below to try this out for yourself. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips.